Look at you. That's a good girl, Danica. You're so big. You got all the groceries now? Nummy, nummy. Is that good? What else do you have? What is it? Cereal. Yummy, yummy, yummy. What else do you have? Juicy. You got a juice box. Yum. What else do you have? Oh, there it goes on the floor. Yay! What are you doing? You gotta pick it up now. Gonna pick it up and put it back in the cart? Oh, yay. Yay.